Make sure that you work on a clean surface. You should clean the skin with alcohol. Then you will find your line number 1 for the sketch. Remember that the only rule for the sketch will be that the first line that you plot is number 1. Then you should make sure that all the lines are parallel between them. Every step that you do, remember that you have to repeat in the opposite side of the face. In the sketch graphics, you will see the line number 8. This line is the one that will help you to define the highest point for the eyebrow design. However, at most advanced levels, you can directly apply the highest point by following the natural arch in your client's face. I recommend you that if you're a beginner, please always try to mark line number 8 until you are able to find this line naturally. Take your time and practice as much as you need until you reach your goal.